What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the Sound Intone CX05. These things, they have noise isolation, so not noise cancellation, so they should have a nice good seal around it, but we'll find out. There is an inline control with the microphone. Now it does stretch and it's foldable. That should be good for like traveling, sticking it in a bag. It's made of a soft protein leather and memory foam, so hopefully they're really comfortable. Oh, that's really nice. I like braided cables. Product certification and warranty card. All right, so first off, we've got the 3.5 millimeter audio cable. Oh, almost 6 foot. That's nice. Nice golden tip. I like that. What is that? Is that metal? I can't tell if that's it feels like it's aluminum. And of course, these caps. I don't know about you, but these are good to chew on. That was probably in somebody's hands. Man, this is really nice. These are way nicer than I thought they would be. Honestly, from what I was looking at on the Amazon page, the pictures do not do this justice. These feel solid. These feel really solid. Very flexible. Look at that. These feel heavy duty. These don't feel cheap at all. Oh, okay, cool. So you can use the 3.5 millimeter cable by itself or the other 3.5 millimeter cable with the inline microphone and controls. So same kind of cable, except this has the microphone with the, I'm guessing that's probably the mute button. It's like a nylon or something. It's nice and tough. Wow, that leather does feel really nice. This, it's very cool to the touch. I really like that. I don't know how I feel about this cable just hanging out like that, but it does have the extension on it, which is good. I guess that's really why you need that, but either way. The cushion itself feels really soft. It's not the kind of soft where you know it's gonna wear down really quick. It still feels pretty sturdy. This is like a hard plastic, but it's coated in this nice velvety like coating over it. Coated in a coating, if you will. The CX05 right on there. And that's made out of the zinc alloy. It feels really cool. Whoa. Oh, I had to break it in. For a second there, I thought I broke it. Oh, wow, those are really flexible. Look at that. I don't want to go too much because I'm afraid, but man, that's flexible. All right, cool. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Should I try the shake shots with these? That's not gonna work. These aren't your sports headphones. Really comfortable though. Very cushiony, real soft. Oh yeah, I'm definitely digging that. All right, well, let's plug them in. Oh, wow, these get loud. They're not too bad. From the two sounds that I've heard so far, it sounds a little muffled. Dang, they got some rumble. They do have pretty decent bass, but I'm still hearing a little muffle. Let me double check with Rhett and Link. Let me see what their opinion is on this. I like the style of them. They look fantastic, but there's that little bit of muffle. Oh, look at that. I didn't even notice. Inside the cup, there's a big L and an R. Ha, I had them on right. All right, well, let's make a phone call. Hello? Hi. I sound good? Okay. Well, you actually sound pretty good. For a second, I thought it was a little muffled, but no, you sound okay. Okay, cool. All right. Okay, so the phone call actually sounded really clear. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try the standard cable without the microphone, and I'm gonna see if there's a difference. They sound great. Oh, okay, all right, one more time with Rhett and Link. Maybe my ears were playing tricks on me, but the first time around, it sounded a little muffled. Now, I've tested both cables, and it sounds like the more I'm playing it, the clearer it sounds. That reminds me of only one thing. For those out there, like speaker enthusiasts, car audio enthusiasts, know that you've got to work in a speaker. And I think I just experienced that, because now, even after switching from the basic cable to the cable with the mic, it sounds really clear. It sounds good. It sounds really good. The bass boosted was great. Maybe that's all it was. I'm just gonna chalk it up to that. I'm gonna say that's what it was. But very cool that it comes with 2 cables. Also, I noticed something just now on the box. This comes in a multitude of colors. All right, so overall, yeah, I think they're pretty good. Like I said, at first it sounded a little muffly, and then the more I listened to it, the clearer they started sounding. So maybe it's because the speakers were warming up, they were flexing a little bit, adding some bass to it. I'm guessing, I don't know, I could be wrong. Or my ears are just playing tricks with me, you know? I mean, not making any headphone videos for like a week and a half really messed me up. But I will say, they're built really, really well. I mean, look at how flexible that is. They're surprisingly heavy duty when it comes to like the material that they used. It feels really nice. That top part maybe could use a little more cushion. It's pretty stiff. Notice that there really isn't any play here. I think these are some headphones that are gonna last you. Okay, so overall, bass, I'm gonna give them like an 8. I've heard better, clearer, but they still sound really good. Highs and mids, I would say I'm gonna give them an 8, but I'm gonna give them a 7 only because, you know, I'm hearing a little bit of muffle. Because of that, I'm gonna give them a 7. And they're very compact. Look at that. You can put them, just throw these in your bag. I wouldn't worry about breaking these though. Like, these are they're definitely built with good enough quality material where you can just throw them in your bag. You're not gonna have to worry about these. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. You guys go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.